Okay, so for number 24, they're giving me a series, and they say hint that the radius is 3, and we know the center's at 2. So what I want to do is just, draw a little picture of a line. The center's at 2. How do I know that? X minus 2 is 0. And I got to go 3 units to the right and left. So I'm going to say over here, this would be 5. And what's over here? This would be minus 1. So I know X is this over here, is between minus 1 and 5. All right? So my question over here is that's true. What they're asking me for is the interval. So I got to test the endpoints. So I'll do it one at a time. It doesn't look that bad to do. And so this is where you're testing it, right over here. So let me plug that in for you. And what do you get? You get the sum, n equals 1 to infinity. And then you get minus 1 to the n. And then if I plug in a 5, I get 5 minus 2, which is 3 to the n. And I see 3 to the n in the bottom, so I get n. This is a convergent alternating series, so I'm going to include the 5. Now let me do the minus 1, see what happens over there. And what do you get? Let's put it down. We're trying the minus 1 now. What do you get? N equals 1, off to infinity. You get minus 1 to the n. Now if I put minus 1 there, what do I get? I get minus 3 to the n, which I'm going to say is minus 1 to the n, and then 3 to the n. Now, someone says, why did you do that? I need a cancellation. This cancels off. I'm looking at this over here, though, and what would they give me? Minus 1 to the 2n, which is just going to be 1. So what do you see over there? N equals 1 to infinity. That would be 1 over n. That's the divergent harmonic series. So what's my interval going to be? Minus 1, don't touch it, up to 5, and 5's included. Do I see that answer being listed? It's right over here. The correct choice is letter A. Thank you.